The most common way governance fails for an autonomous system is not a dramatic breach. It is drift that happens between the meetings. A system that was comfortably inside its tolerance at the last review can move outside it without anyone changing a line of code, because the world it acts on changes. A new pattern of cases, a shifted data mix, a model updated upstream. By the time the next committee sits, the system has made an enormous number of decisions, and it may not be the same system that was signed off. The reviews still happen, the documents still get signed, and the distance between what was approved and what the system is actually doing widens unseen. Runtime governance and continuous assurance exist to close that gap. The discipline is to watch the live behavior, not the launch behavior. What ties it together is a loop that runs continuously. Observe, judge, act, and record. Observe the live signals, the error rate, the escalation rate, the mix of what the system is seeing, and the actions that fall outside the normal pattern. Judge them against the tolerance the institution set, so a moving number becomes a decision rather than just a chart. Act when the judgment calls for it by tightening the boundary, routing decisions back to people, pausing or pulling the system back, and record what was seen and done. So the loop produces evidence as it runs. Each part depends on the next. Observation with no one position to judge is just data. A judgment with no authority to act is commentary, and action that leaves no record cannot be assured afterward. The loop is only real when all four are present and wired together. In our example, this is what keeps Mithras Bank in control of its release agent between board meetings. The bank watches the rate at which releases are overridden and the share of cases escalated to a person. When the override rate climbs, that is a judge signal, not a number for the next quarterly pack. Someone has the authority to tighten the agent's limits or route its queue back to manual the same day. And every step is recorded. So when the board or a regulator asks what happened, the answer already exists. The point is not that the bank watches everything. It is that the few signals which would reveal the system slipping out of control are watched continuously, judged against a standard, and connected to someone who can act. Run this way, assurance becomes more than a safeguard. It becomes the institution's memory of how its systems actually behave, what normal looks like, where they have drifted before, what was done about it, and whether it worked. That memory is what lets executive confidence rest on evidence rather than on the absence of bad news. We have now built governance that runs and assurance that is continuous. What we have not yet done is show all of it to an outsider on demand. When a regulator or a court asks what a system did, why, and under whose authority, runtime control is not enough. You need evidence that holds. That is the next module, audit and evidence for agentic systems.